Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. It's time for the December 9th reveal of Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. If you have the Advent calendar and haven't looked at today's item, you may want to pause the video. I'm about to open the window. Now for most of the items, there's been a picture on that inside window, but this time there's nothing. And that's because it's a package of sequins. This beautiful red color with an iridescent finish. There are two different sizes, and I love that the sequins don't have the hole in the center. Just a personal preference. With the Advent calendars, it's so fun as you open more and more windows, you have more items that you can start mixing together for your cards. And that's what I'll be doing for today's card. For the background, I'm using some white cardstock. Using Spellbinders Essential Arches die set, I cut out one in teal and also one in Kraft cardstock. And the Kraft arch I did emboss using the Geo Quilt 3D embossing folder from Spellbinders. Before attaching the arches on the card, I'll first put a couple of Love from Lizi peel-offs. This is the silver holographic color in the pinstripe style. I'm using the widest and medium width. I'll wrap the ends around the back, put ATG tape on the back, and add my card front onto a card base. And you could add the arches directly onto the card base, but I like to add card fronts to my cards. I think it gives it more of a professional look. Now I'll put glue on the back and add the arches on the card. So far, for all of my Advent cards, I've used pattern paper from Doodlebug Designs' Hello Again collection, but this card I didn't use any pattern paper at all, just cardstock. Well, I take it back. The sentiment "Get Well Soon" that I'm adding to the card is actually a cut apart from the Hello Again collection. But does that count as pattern paper since it's really just a sentiment? For images, I've already assembled two mushrooms, and the mushroom dies are from the December 8th window. As we get further into the month, I'll be bringing in more of the other items, mixing and matching them with the newer items. I did pop up the sentiment with some foam dimension and adhered it in the lower right hand corner. Then I'll add the two mushrooms in the center of the arch above the sentiment. To finish off the card, I'll use some of the new sequins from today's reveal. I'll put 3 in the upper right hand corner and 2 in the lower left hand corner. And I'm dumping just a small amount in a wooden bowl. I prefer to use a wooden bowl for sequins, since sequins tend to be staticky, especially in a plastic bowl. I'll first add a small drop of barely art glue, use an embellishment wand to pick up the sequins, then press them in place. So there is my finished card using the December 9th item from Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. I will have links in the description box for products that are still available. And be sure to come back to my channel tomorrow for the December 10th reveal. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.